In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of having too many free trial accounts used on Cursor AI on your machine. This can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through some straightforward steps to resolve it in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's make sure you completely close Cursor AI before we dive into any further steps. Closing the application fully ensures that no background processes are running, which can interfere with our progress. If you're not sure if it's closed, double check in your task manager to ensure that the Cursor AI process is no longer running. Once you've confirmed Cursor AI is closed, we'll move on to manually deleting some remaining files. You need to navigate to the application's data folder and remove a specific file named storage.json. This file holds some key configuration data that might be causing the issue. If you're using Windows, you can typically find this file at the path %appdata% plus cursor user line global storage plus. Go ahead and delete the storage.json file, which will help reset the application data related to your account. Now that we've cleared out the remnants from the data folder, it's time to perform a complete uninstall of Cursor AI. This is an important step because it not only removes the primary application files, but also any associated files and registry entries, which can be a common source of persistent issues like the one we're addressing. After you've uninstalled the application, it's time to reinstall Cursor AI. Download the latest version from the official website to ensure you have the newest features and fixes. Once you've installed it again, open the application and proceed to sign in using a new account. Creating a new account gives you a fresh start, free from any restrictions tied to previous accounts. Finally, after signing in with your new credentials, you should be able to access the free tier without encountering the error message about too many free trial accounts. This entire process essentially resets your setup with Cursor AI, providing a clean slate that should bypass the error altogether. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to get back to enjoying Cursor AI without the free trial limitations holding you back. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you back up and running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out.